Welcome back, dear students. Today we are meeting for algebra subject and the topic linear equations in two variables, which we have already started. We are going to continue with the same topic today. Class, as you all are aware that we have studied or we have completed 3 of our exercises. What did we learn in our 3 exercises? Let us first do a recap. So, in the first exercise, we saw or we learned about solving simultaneous equations. Then, we saw to solve or we learned to solve simultaneous equations graphically. We also studied how to solve simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule. Today, we are going to solve simultaneous equations, but these equations are in numerator and denominator form. That means your variables are there in the denominator. So how to solve such kind of sums? Let us see through the exercise. So let's start practice set 1.4. Your first sum says solve the following simultaneous equations. First sum is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. Second equation, x upon 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. As you can see, the variables are in the denominator. Till now, in our first exercise, second exercise and third exercise, the variables were there in the numerator. Whether the coefficients were in numerator denominator form, that was okay. But here, the variables are there in the denominator. So when we have variables in the denominator, we first substitute the variables that are present in the denominator. So how are we going to substitute? First we would bifurcate the numerator. That means 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 15. Similarly, 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77. So now we are going to substitute 1 upon x. So let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So entirely wherever there is 1 upon x, we are going to substitute it as a and 1 upon y as b. So the first equation becomes 2a minus 3b is equal to 15 and second equation becomes 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Let's solve them as our exercise number 1. We have, as we solved in our practice set 1.1, we are going to solve this in the same manner. We first wrote our first equation, that is 2a minus 3b is equal to 15, and our second equation 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Here the coefficients are not same. So what are we going to do? Equation 1 we are going to multiply it by 5 and equation 2 we are going to multiply it by 3. After multiplying both the equations, 5 2s are 10a minus 5 3s are 15b is equal to 15 5s are 75. This would be our equation 3. Similarly, 3 8s are 24 plus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 77 into 3 equals to 231. Now as you can see, the coefficients of b are same and having opposite signs. So we can carry on the operation of addition. So we are going to add equation 1 and equation 2. When we add equation 1 and equation 2, your b variable gets eliminated and you are left with 10 plus 24a, that equals to 34a. b gets eliminated. 75 plus 231 will give you 306. To find the value of a, 306 would be divided by 34 and we get the value of a as 9. Substitute the value of a in either of our equations, either a, 1, 2, 3 or 4, whichever is convenient for you. I am substituting it in equation number 1. So when I substitute a is equal to 9 in equation number 1, our equation 1 was 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Instead of a, we are going to substitute it by 9. So 2 into 9 minus 3b is equal to 15. 2 nines are 18 minus 3b is equal to 15. Minus 3b will remain as it is in your LHS. Plus 18 will move on to your RHS. So what will happen? Minus 3b is equal to 15 minus 18. Minus 3b is equal to 15 minus 18 will give me minus 3. So the value of b would be 1. Now since I got the values of a and b, but a and b is not there in the question, we have substituted it. The question has variables x and y. So now we have to resubstitute it. So resubstituting a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y. Therefore, the value of a is 1 upon x and b is 1 upon y. Instead of a, we are going to substitute it by 9 is equal to 1 upon x. X will go in the numerator into your LHS and 9 will come in the denominator of RHS. So x is equal to 1 upon 9. Similarly, the value of x would be 1 upon 9 and the value of y was, b was 1. So 1 is equal to 1 upon y. Y will go in the RHS, numerator of your RHS, and 1 will come in the denominator. Therefore, y is equal to 1 upon 1 and the value of y is 1. Therefore, the solution of our equation is, therefore, x comma y is equal to 1 upon 9 comma 1 is the solution of the given equation. Let us understand this by solving our sum number 2. So, your question for sum number 2 is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4, 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now, we are going to substitute this. How? 10 into 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y. Similarly, for your second equation also, 10 into 1 is 10, 2 into 1 is 2. Similarly, in the second equation, 15 into 1 would be 15 and 5 into 1 will also be 5. So, what are we substituting? We are substituting 1 upon x as 1 upon x plus y as a and 1 upon x minus y as b. So, your first equation goes like this: 10a plus 2b is equal to 4, 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. When you solve it simultaneously, so 10a plus 2b is equal to 4 would be our equation 1 and 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2 would be our equation 2. To equalize the coefficient, we would multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2, so that the coefficient and the variable of coefficients of b would be same and we could eliminate the variable b. So when you multiply 5 by the first equation, 5 tens are 50a plus 5 2s are 10b is equal to 5 4s are 20. When you multiply 2 with the second equation, you get 2 15s are 30a minus 5 2s are 10b is equal to 2 2s are 4. This is how we got equation 3 and equation 4. As you can see, the coefficients of variable b are same as well as they are having opposite signs. So, we can carry out the operation of addition. So, when we add equation 3 and equation 4, 50 plus 30 would give me 80a. The variable b would get eliminated. 20 minus 4 will give me 16. Therefore, a is equal to 16 upon 80. A is equal to 1 upon 5. Since we have got the value of a, let us substitute it in equation 1. So, substituting the value of a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 1. we get equation 1 is 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. So, instead of a, we are going to substitute the value of 1 upon 5. So, 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. 10 and 5, 5 ones are, 5 twos are 10. So, 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. 2b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 upon 2. Therefore, the value of b is 1. Since we got the values of a and b, we are going to resubstitute it as in the question we have variables x and y. So, we are going to resubstitute the values of a as 1 upon x plus y and b as 1 upon x minus y. So, a is equal to 1 upon x plus y and b is equal to 1 upon x minus y. The value of a is 1 upon 5. So, 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x plus y. X plus y is equal to 5 would be our equation number 3. Similarly, the value of b is 1 upon x minus y. 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus y. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 1 would be equation number 4. Since we have got again two equations, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1, the coefficients of the variable y is 1. So, we do not have to multiply it by anything, we can straight away carry on the operation. Since the signs of both the equations are same, we can carry on the operation of addition. Therefore, adding equation 3 and 4 we get 2x, y gets cancelled is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3. We are going to substitute the value of x in equation 3 or equation 4. Therefore, we are going to substitute it in the equation 3. Our equation 3 is x plus y is equal to 5. Instead of x, we are going to substitute the value 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 4 minus 3. Y is equal to 1. Now, we have got the values of x and y. Therefore, x and y, x comma y is equal to 3 comma 1 is the solution of the given equation. Let us now understand sum number 3. Your sum number 3 goes like this. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Let us first substitute the values. How? 21 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. So, we are going to substitute what? 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon x y plus 3 is equal to b. Therefore, our first equation is 27a plus 31b is equal to 85 and our second equation is 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. When you write both the equations one below the other, you get 27a plus 31b is equal to 85 as equation 1 and 31a plus 27b is equal to 89 as equation 2. As you can see, your coefficients have been alternated. The coefficient of a in the first equation is the coefficient of b in the second equation. Similarly, the coefficient of b in the first equation is coefficient of a in the second equation. So, in such cases, what we had done in the first exercise, we had added and subtracted to derive equation 3 and equation 4. The same thing we are going to do it over here. First, we are going to add equation 1 and equation 2. After adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get 27 plus 31 is equal to 58a plus 58b is equal to 174. We are going to divide this entire equation by 58. So, when you divide it by 58, we get a plus b is equal to 3. That is equation 3. Similarly, we are going to subtract equation 1 and equation 2. So 27a plus 31b is equal to 85, equation 1. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89, equation 2. Now what are we going to do? We are going to subtract both the equations. And when we subtract both the equations, the sign of the second equation changes. So 31 would get a subtraction sign, 27 would get a subtraction sign, and 89 would get a subtraction sign. So 27 minus 31 will give me minus 4a, plus 31 minus 27 will give me plus 4b, plus 85 minus 89 will give me minus 4. Now we are going to divide this entire equation by 4. So minus a plus b is equal to minus 1 is our equation number 4. Now we are going to simultaneously solve equation 3 and equation 4. Therefore a plus b is equal to 3 is our equation 3. Minus a plus b is equal to minus 1 is equation 4. As you can see, the coefficients of a is 1. So we don't need to equalize the coefficients as they are same. The signs of coefficient a are different, as first equation has a positive sign and the second equation is having a negative sign. We can directly carry on the operation of addition. So we are adding equation 3 and equation 4. So the variable a gets eliminated. 2b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 upon 2. Therefore b is equal to 1. Now we got the value of b as 1. Substitute it to get the value of a. So substituting b is equal to 1 in equation 3. So a plus b is equal to 3 was equation 3. We are going to substitute the value of b. So a plus 1 is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 minus 1. A is equal to 2. We got the values of a and b. Let us resubstitute it as our equation has variables x and y. So a is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 and b is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. We substitute the value of a as 2. So 2 is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. 2 goes in your LHS and it gets multiplied. So 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore 2x minus 4, 2 into x will give me 2x, 2 into 2 will give me 4. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 1, 2x is equal to 1 plus 4, x. Similarly b, the value of b is 1, 1 upon y plus 3, y plus 3 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 3. Therefore, the value of y is minus 2. Let us see the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 2, as we get 2x is equal to 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 is multiplied by x. When it goes to your RHS, it will get divided. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 2. Therefore, the solution of the equation x comma y is equal to 5 upon 2 comma 1 is the solution of the given equation. Let us solve sum number 4. Your sum number 4 is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So let us substitute the values now. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2, 3x minus y minus 1 upon 2, 3x minus is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Let us substitute the values of 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Therefore, when you substitute the values, we get 1 upon 3x plus y, we are going to write it as a, and 1 upon 3x minus y, we are going to write it as b. So, a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4, comma 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b is equal to minus 1 upon 8. In the first equation, we are going to multiply 4 in the LHS. So, 4 bracket a plus b is equal to 3, and in the second equation, we are going to remove out the LCM, and in the entire equation, we are going to multiply it by 8. So, 1 upon 2 into 8a minus 1 upon 2 into 8b is equal to minus 1 upon 8 into 8. When you solve the equation further, 4 into a 4a plus 4 into b 4b is equal to 3. That is our equation 1. 2 into 1 upon 2 into 8, when you divide 8 by 2 you get 4a, minus when you divide 8 by 2 you get 4b, and when you divide 8 by 8 you get 1. So, 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. When you write both the equations one below the other, 4a plus 4b is equal to 3, equation 1. 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1, equation 2. Since the coefficients of variable b are same and the signs are also opposite, we can straight away carry on the operation of addition. So, adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get 4 plus 4, 8a is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. A is equal to 2 upon 8, a is equal to 1 upon 4. Let us substitute the value of a as 1 upon 4 in equation 1. So, our equation 1 is 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Instead of a, we are going to substitute it by 1 upon 4. Therefore, 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4b is equal to 3 minus 1. B is equal to 4b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2 upon 4. B is equal to 1 upon 2. Let us resubstitute the values of a is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and b is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Therefore, a is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and b is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. The value of a is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is equal to 3x plus y. 3x plus y is equal to 4. When you cross multiply, you get 4 goes in the numerator, 4 into 1 and 3x plus y into 1. Therefore, 3x plus y is equal to 4 is equation number 3. Similarly, the value of b is 1 upon 2. When you again cross multiply, 3x minus y into 1 will give me 3x minus y and 2 into 1 will give me 2. That is equation number 4. When you simultaneously solve both the equations, that is 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. As you can see, the coefficients of y are same and the signs are also opposite. Therefore, we can carry on the operation of addition, adding equation 3 and equation 4. So, 3 plus 3 will give me 6x, y gets cancelled, 4 plus 2 will give me 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 6, x is equal to 1. Similarly, we are going to substitute the values of x is equal to 1 in equation 3. So, when we substitute the values of 3x plus y is equal to 4, instead of x we are going to substitute the value of 1. So, 3 1s are 3 plus y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus 3, y is equal to 1. Therefore, the solution is x comma y, that is 1 comma 1 is the solution of the given equation. So, class, These were the 4 sums of your practice set 1.4. We have completed exercise 1.4 today. Class, you may solve these sums by your own, as I have explained each and every step to you very, very, very clearly. And we'll continue with our next exercise, that is word problems, in the next lecture. Thank you, class. Stay home, stay safe, and keep studying.